What's up everybody, Brian with SoCo Customs back in my favorite filming spot. Give us a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, and it's a little less windy today. I don't think we'll ever get a non-windy day here in Colorado because, well, Kenda sucks. I'm just playing with you guys. Alright guys, brand new 2020 GMC Sierra SLE, and we picked this up from Ferguson. As you can see, it'll be a cloth interior with a bench seat. So, easy to maintain, that dark interior, bench seat. Still love these interiors on these brand new GMCs. So yeah, about the kit, we sent this up 6 inches on the rough country kit. As you can see, we used a spacer so it maintains the factory ride quality of this truck. Now let's zoom out. Actually, you know what? This one back here is the most upright. We did the Motiv Mutants in a 20x10. These are awesome. I love this sort of split spoke, pretty busy, but the black gloss color, it's pretty dope. And then of course the Kenda Klever RTs. Again, you don't have to spend the big money to get the looks and the performance that you're looking for. People are loving these tires, especially for the price. All right, now to get you up into the cab, we've got these Westin HDX Steps. I like them because they're a little more squared off than a lot of your stirrup steps, which you know, that really helps out with like when you're trying to get in during the winter, you're not slipping off. I've caught my shins on a few of those. But yeah, look at that stance. It brings this rig nice and level. It might be looking like it squats a little bit because you know, the dealer wants those old wheels and tires back, so we've got them stacked in the back. So that's a couple 100 pounds of gear, so you'll know just how much it squats when you start loading it back down. 5.3 liter Sierra. And I really like this transmission that they're putting in the brand new ones. It feels really smooth. But if you are in the market for a new truck lifted straight off the dealership lot, make sure you go down to Ferguson GMC, tell them we sent you. They will hook you up. All right, y'all, Brian with SoCo Customs. Thumbs up, subscribe, share with your friends. Make sure that they know that this truck is down on the dealership lot, ready for them. Truck for sale.